Okay, hi, good morning, dear children. How are you, dear children? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Okay, dear children, today is English revision class is there. What? Today is English revision class is there. So, all of you take your 4-line notes. Okay, for your English notes and practice these all mains. Okay, all of you should practice these all mains. Okay, don't miss it. Okay, dear children, come to the mainstream. Already you have learnt A to Z common letter, A to Z capital common letters, and A to Z small common letters, and A to Z cursive capital letters, and A to Z small cursive letters. Okay, and A to Z dictation words. Okay, already we have learnt in back classes, and also you learnt standing and sleeping lines letters LTIHF. Okay, you know very well. And then you learnt phonics words also in back LKG class. Okay, means create the phonics. Okay, means AT at, BAT bat, CAT cat, DAT dad, this type. Okay, phonics words you have learnt in back class. So today onwards I will start the revision classes. Okay, so today I will start English revision class of for midterm exam. Okay, revision for the midterm examination. Okay, so you should do properly all these means. Okay, come to here, dear children. Revision for the midterm exam. What is this? Revision for the midterm exam. First main. What is the first main? Write A to Z capital cursive letter 2 times. Write A to Z capital cursive letter 2 times. Okay, dear children, this is very important. Okay, so you should follow all instructions. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 make you should 6 columns. Okay, please dear parents, help to your child for columns and headings. Okay, then red pen works parents. Okay, then and second main, write A to Z capital cursive, don't common, cursive letter A to Z sand, A to Z cursive letters sand right here. Okay, A to Z letters 2 times, 1 time 2 time. Okay, first you should make 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns. Okay, then write A to Z small cursive letter. This is also same 2 time. Okay, A to Z cursive, A to Z small cursive letters. Okay, this is also same 1 2 3 4 5 6 column. You should make 6 columns. Okay, take your parents' help only for the columns and instructions. Okay, next then come to third main. What is the third main? Match the following uppercase letter to lowercase letters. Match the following uppercase letter to lowercase letters means match the following small cursive letters to capital cursive letter, or match the following capital cursive letter to small cursive letter. Okay, I will give you only one example. This is parents' work. Okay, take the red pen. You should take the one red pen and then put this type. Okay, I will give you one example. What is this? This is small a. Okay, small cursive a. Where is this is lowercase. Match the following uppercase letter to lowercase letter. Okay, this is lowercase. Okay, small means lowercase. Where is uppercase letter? uppercase letter to lowercase letters. Okay, this is uppercase. So match the following. Match the following uppercase letter to lowercase letter. Then I will give you another one example. Capital B, cursive capital B. Okay, uppercase letter to lowercase letter. So match the following B to B. This is uppercase letter, this is lowercase letter. Okay, then come to next main. Fourth main, look at the picture and write their name. Look at the picture and write their name, A to Z words. You should practice A to Z words. Okay, I will give you only one example. Okay, already here given one example. Already I given here one example. Okay, but you should practice A to Z words. Okay, what is this? This is apple. Okay, say and write their name, APPLE, apple, this type. Okay, you should write properly. Okay, you should practice A to Z word. I already given only one example. Then fourth main, this page and this page. And fifth main, create the phonic words. Create the phonic words. Dear children, AT, at, AND, and, AP, app, OT, ought. Okay, I will give you example. AT, at, create the phonics. AT, at, A after B. So take the B, BAT, bat. I will give you. Okay, dear children. AT, at. Okay, so A after B. You should write B. Then AT, add. AT, add it. Add this. Add here. This type. Okay, BAT, bat. Okay, B after C. Okay, add AT. City cat, this type. Okay, then C after D. Okay, AT, add the AT. DAT, dat, this type. Okay, next AND, and. Okay, A after B. Okay, add the AND, and. AND, BAND, band, AND, and BAND, band, this type. Then B after C. Okay, add the AND, CAND. Okay, CAND, canned. Okay, next C after D. Okay, add the AND, DAND, dan. Okay, okay, yes, SAND, sand, this type. Okay, AP, app, BAP, bap, CAP, cap, DAP, dap, this type. OT, ought, BOT, bot. Okay, COT, cot, DOT, dot, this type. And then ARR, BR bar, CR car, DR dar, this type. ET, at, BT, bat, CT, cat, DT, det, this type. ENN, PN, pen, DN, den, MEN, man, this type. HAN, hen, IN, in, PIN, pin, BIN, bin, MIN, min, this type. Okay. Okay, then come to sixth main. Find out and circle the same letter. Find out and circle the same letter, A to Z. Okay, find out and circle the A to Z. I already given only one example, but you should practice A to Z letters. Okay, find out and circle the A to Z letters. Okay, which letter? This is small cursive. Okay, this is where is the small cursive A? Where is the small cursive? This is no, this is no, this is no, this is no, this is yes. So make the circle. Find out and circle the same letter. Okay, I already given only one example, but you should practice A to Z. Find out and circle the same letter. Okay, dear children, all of you should read and write all means. You should read and write all means. Okay, dear children, first main, second main, third main, fourth main, fifth main, sixth main. Total 6 mains is there. So you should practice in your 4-line English notes and send me before 6 o'clock. Okay. Bye, dear children.